make a dashboard like this for next project. It will take around 10 minutes to make this amazing dashboard, and all the steps and prompts I'm going to tell you in this whole video are in description. So first, we're going to be coming to this website called effort.com, and we're going to scroll down to dashboards. These are the dashboards that you can use as a framework to make your dashboards. And let's take this one. I'm going to copy this prompt and going to Claude and pasting it. Now what we're going to be doing is putting some data. For example, I'm going to be putting some data of renewable energy. You can put any data you want and it's going to be coming out really nice. But what's the next step? The next step is that you go to Pinterest and search for dashboards. See, what I showed you will just make a framework, but we all need something that looks neat and nice. Because I'm making of renewable energy, I want something that has green background, like this one. Yeah, it looks good. Let's copy this image. So I'm going to be adding an image here that we took from Pinterest, and I'm going to be saying I have given you data of India's RE sector and its achievement. Make a dashboard out of it, and I want to use the picture for design in my dashboard. Maybe because I haven't downloaded Effort dashboard, it do not use the prompt that I have given. So I'm going to be using a skill that is digital pop in animation that I love. Maybe I just put it here. Yeah. This is also in the description, so you can take from here there. And I'm just gonna enter and see what comes out. Okay, so this is how a dashboard looks like, and it's quite sleek, good looking. And every time you just have to come and upload your new data so that you can actually update it. So we're gonna go here and see how does it looks. You see things are popping up. That is lovely. Export state data. Oh, okay. Coming to overview again. See this function, if you see. This comes from our skill that I just told you, and you can download it from down there. Sources. So everything is working, and you can just put it to your any senior college, and it looks fabulous. My one recommendation that I didn't did here was to start this with a project, so that anytime next you try to do this, you have a project to refer. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.